Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to talk about some of the monitoring tools uh, available in Azure to monitor some of the aspects like the cost, security, and reliability, and how you can set up alerts for your resources, and also to check the health and service state of your Azure resources. Okay, first one is Azure Advisor. Basically, Azure Advisor is nothing but in your Azure portal, it will give recommendations on the security or the cost and reliability aspects of your associated resources. For example, let's say you go and on the Azure Monitor, you can type in monitor. So, where is it? So here when you go to advisor screen on the dashboard, you can see there are different aspects like the cost, security, and reliability, operational excellence. So basically, it is an inbuilt tool that Microsoft Azure will recommend what are the recommended options for your account is being followed or not. If there are any recommendations with respect to each of these components, you will see a list of recommendations in those respective category. For example, here it is showing as green, that means all the recommended options related to the cost I am following this account. Similarly, for security, it is coming as green, means all the aspects related to security are being taken care. Similarly, reliability, all the aspects related to reliability have been taken care. Okay, so if there are any issues with your subscription or account, any of the security vulnerabilities that will come up, you can if there are any things to take care, it will show up as a red. You can just go in and kind of check it, and also it will give a visibility on your performance of those respective resources. Currently I don't have any resource, but if you have it, it will give you the performance aspects of that resource as well. Okay, going on to the Azure Monitor. Azure Monitor is nothing but, for example, show you on Azure Monitor. So basically, with the Azure Monitor, you can visualize and analyze the logs or set up if any alerts if you want to take, and if you want to action based on that alert, right? So these are some of the basic things you can do with monitoring. For example, I will show you one example. So here, let's say you want to create a route for a particular resource, then you can select that resource. I don't have any resource for now, but based on your geography and resources, you can just choose. And condition, based on like what condition you want to do, you can just add a condition, and based on that if you want to select or alert a trigger, and you can give it a name, and then it will create a alert based on this. So this is how you can create a rule. Similarly, if you go to service health, you go to service health, basically this will list down all the health related to the different services are working fine or not, and is it in a healthy state, or if there is any service disruptions that are happening in that region specific to Azure. Okay, so open the service health. Yeah, for example, you can see here the service issues tab. Basically, for your subscription, there are different regions you can choose, and associated services also it will list out. Okay, for example, let's say instead of all the regions, you are only interested in, let's say I'm just using for Central India, and you can see, for example, let's say if there is any outage happens for any of the app service. Okay, you can see that if there is any issues happening here only, it will list out. You can just add the service health and options. Into what type of there is a maintenance or service issue or any things, you can just choose this and add action group. You can create a group. You create a action group for service outage. I'm just keeping the same name as the service outage, then review and create. So basically it is asking for the price. So based on the alert you choose and what you will set up on this cost, it will allow me to choose that, but that's fine. I just wanted to show you how you can create the alerts and for different types of the services like the Azure services. Okay, so I hope this is clear, and we will catch up in our next session. Thank you.